Wait, before you get into the rest of the video, I need to ask you a really important question. Do you know how much water is here on Earth? Think about it. With all the lakes, the oceans, the groundwater, the puddle that's outside, how much water is on Earth? Well, what if I told you the same water that's here right now is the same water that was here when the dinosaurs were here? Don't believe me? Stay tuned and you'll find out.
This is a cup of water. We use water every day for many things in our lives, like drinking to stay hydrated, showering to stay clean, and even for electricity. This is only just a few things we use water for.
Hi, I'm Kaylin, and I'm going to be showing you how much water can we actually drink.
Much of our Earth's surface is covered by water. Did you know that 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by it?
Whoa, that's a lot of water.
Now let's say this cup is all the water from our Earth. To show it even further, let's dye it blue. This is a liter of water, or 1,000 milliliters of water. This amount hasn't changed for millions of years and doesn't leave the Earth.
Fun fact, this is the same water that dinosaurs drank.
Now, how much of our Earth's water is in our oceans? About 97%. In this case, 970 milliliters of our water. That means 3% or 30 milliliters of water is fresh water. Wow, look at all that water. The difference is huge. This is a lot of water, but we can't use it because it's very salty. This leaves us with 30 milliliters of fresh water. That's not salty that we can use. But did you know not all of it is available to us? A lot of that fresh water is locked in polar ice caps. Think of icebergs and mountaintops of snow. All of that frozen water on Earth would be about 24 milliliters in our cup. Away to the freezer it shall go. Now this leaves us with about 6 milliliters from our original 1 liter or 1,000 milliliters. However, most of the Earth's water is underground. Groundwater is water that filters down through the soil at the Earth's surface and is stored in underground aquifers. This leaves us with 1.5 milliliters of water. This represents all of the fresh surface water. This is like lakes, rivers, and swamps. However, not all of it is clean or accessible for us to use. Now, if we just get a dropper and take one little drop of it, and this little drop is about 0.07 milliliters. Now, only about 0.007% of the water on Earth is for us to use, and this doesn't look like a lot. Now, I'm sure you're as shocked as I am. The water that we can use versus the water we can't use is a really big difference.
That's actually not a lot. So this is all that we can drink. So that means it's up to us as humans to figure out how to use this wisely.